This time check is brought to you by Plemex for Kids. Mommies, agapan agad ang ubo at plemang nakabara. Pambatang lagundi, Plemex!
ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS!
Health Max Care Capsule.
Hindi umuurong sa pagtulong, ikaw ang gawa sa lahat sinusulong. PCSO, PCSO. Hindi umuurong sa pagtulong ang PCSO. PCSO. Health Max Capsule, may mangosteen at berries. Health Max Capsule, may mangosteen at berries.
May mangosteen na, may berries ka pa. Mag-Health Max Capsule ka na. Pag laging stressed, pwedeng humina ang immunity. Ingatan ang kalusugan with proper diet and healthy lifestyle. Samahan ang pag-inom ng Health Max Capsule.
Health Max Capsule, may mangosteen at berries. Health Max Capsule, may mangosteen at berries.
Ang Health Max Capsule ay mabibili sa Mercury Drugstores nationwide. Para sa katanungan, tumawag sa 8400-5266 at 0922-802-6505. Mahalagang paalala, ang Health Max Capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Para di madaling masira ang ngipin ng pamilya, ngayon pa lang,
Unique toothpaste for brushing every after kumain.
dahil ang unique toothpaste, may Max Protect formula.
Ngipin ay Max Alaga, Max Protektado pa.
Helps stop cavities even before they start, while keeping breath fresh with regular use.
Unique toothpaste for brushing, para siguraduhin ngipin ay Max Alaga, Max Protektado pa. Unique.
Max Alaga, Max Protectado with unique toothpaste maximum fluoride protection. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS!
Cellphone Plus Gold.
Ako si Weng, matagal ko nang iniinda yung sakit ng likod ko. Talagang napakasakit. Pero pag take ko ng Santon Plus Gold, sa loob ng 2 linggo, hindi na sumasakit ang likod ko.
Cellphone Plus Gold. Mas pinalakas, pinagaling, pinahusay. Cellphone Plus Gold. Mabili sa mga butika.
Mahalagang paalala, ang Santhone Plus Gold ay hindi gamot at hindi pwedeng gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Boom, papaya, white rose papaya, yeah, yeah, yeah. Boom, puti ka in 7 days, oh yeah, 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 yeah. White rose papaya.
New White Rose Papaya. May double whitening ng papaya extracts and vitamin B3. Clinically proven magpaputi in as early as 7 days with regular use.
Boom, puti ka, white rose papaya, yeah, 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 yeah.
Papaya puti, papaya fast. White Rose Papaya with vitamin B3. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS!
Talk to my lawyer. Kasama sina Attorney Louie Gando at Jackie Maestrado Rubio.